Zhongshan JSWAY CNC Machine Tool Limited Company is located in the famous Zhongshan City, Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay, where the most active manufacturing area in China. Our factory has established almost 20 years and always focused on intelligent research, development and manufacturing of CNC lathes and Swiss lathe, with a successful experience serving different manufacturing industries from China to the world. JSWAY is committed to becoming the first brand at CNC lathe and Swiss lathe industries in China, to meet the level of Germany and Japan international brands, and inheriting the spirit of manufacturing artisans. The company's product positioning is to replace imports and surpass upgrades, providing the firms with more functions, higher precision, better quality and competitive price machine tool. The thermal defective problem of CNC machine tool during operation is an inherent common characteristic of the machine tool itself, and it's an urgent industry problem to be solved. The thermal defects compensation technology is also a pearl in the crown of the machine tool manufacturing industry. JSWAY have built a united laboratory of engineering data center with the Shanghai Jiaotong University together, using high-precision testing instruments like the laser interferometer, eddy current displacement tester, wireless rotary axis calibrating device, self-developing high-precision digital temperature sensor, and machinery combined deviation real-time compensation system. The machine deviation sources mechanism model has been established on the element separation method R&D platform. Through its accuracy adaptive control system, dynamic and real-time adapting tracking and compensation for various deviation during processing, so that the processing accuracy and stability etc. technical indicators reach the international advanced level in the industry. JSWAY taking lead step by step in machine tool field through Swiss lathe and CNC lathe have been equipped with the thermal deviation compensation system as standard, laying a solid foundation for winning comprehensive competition in the future. The engineering data center laboratory utilizes scientific theoretical analysis to improve machine tool stability and, more importantly, to provide data sources and technical support for design and development. JSWAY goal is to become a national experimental center for the Swiss lathe and a provincial industry demonstration base for the turning and milling complex CNC lathe. JSWAY keep on increasing the investment in high-precision equipment, and the key parts are processed on those multifunctional horizontal machine centers, gantry pentahedral machines, and precision grinder to avoid the man-made error to ensure the stability, consistency, and accuracy for whole machinery. The finishing of large body parts of CNC lathe and Swiss lathe are all made by ourselves, that ensuring the timely delivery of customer orders. On this basis, we independently develop and produce the mechanical spindles, motorized spindles, power turrets, synchronous motorized spindles, power heads, etc. machine tool core components, with high reliability and the ability to meet customers' differentiated needs and mass production. Established product standards strictly to ensure the progressiveness of products' performance indicators. We have always been committed to intelligent research, development and production of machine tools and equipment, exploring a successful manufacturing path. In the exploration and practice of intelligent manufacturing, we will combine the characteristics of products with customers' need, give full play to the advantages of machine tools' complexity and precision, providing customers with high-quality products and technical support, fully embody intelligent data in the manufacturing and management process, and efficiently manage the entire order process from production to delivery. Learn the cutting-edge manufacturing concepts and production technologies, focus on customer concerns, and developed in-depth technical support and engineering implementation solutions based on individual production needs for each customer, to create value and help customers stay ahead in market competition. JSWAY CNC lathe turning and milling complex multifunctional tool library, mechanical spindle hydraulic clamping type Swiss lathe, and 9-axis multifunctional Swiss lathe, etc. Research and development projects have obtained national invention patents. The mechanic spindle hydraulic clamping type Swiss lathe has the characteristics of simple mechanical structure, high reliability, strong processing rigidity, and high efficiency, etc., filling the gap in the domestic industry. The core of JSWAY company system is the production system, created by the concept of modularization. The production system enables the finished machine tool to be standardized and confirmed in every link from parts, assembly, and final assembly, effectively ensuring the assembly accuracy and reliability of the entire machine. JSWAY Advanced Machine Tool Structure Design Concept. The establishment of an independent production system for core components and the implementation of production standardization and consistency ensure the product's reliability to reduces the maintenance costs greatly in the later stage during the using process of customers. Modularization mindset run through the entire product process, design, process, production, and sales, with the basic characteristics of modularization and functional component production to set up the company production structure in 3 main sections: Mechanical Parts Processing Affairs Department, Core Functional Components Department, and General Assembly Department. Strive towards the goal of flexible manufacturing, efficient manufacturing, and intelligent manufacturing. The guidance from emerging markets has provided a huge impetus for the development of JSWAY Company in the fields of 3C electronics, new energy vehicles, household appliance, medical care, high-speed rail shipping, military industry, aerospace, etc. It has continuously met the demand for high-end CNC lathe and Swiss lathe. JSWAY has established a big amount sales and technical service centers domestic to provide customers with nearby fast service and technical support, winning a good reputation for CNC machine tools. With the equilibrium development of China's industry, JSWAY brand machine tool products can be seen in various industrial city clusters across the country. JSWAY's overseas marketing department has expanded its business scope to United Kingdom, Russia, Europe and Southeast Asia, countries and regions. Focus on products and go all out. The only thing that remains unchangeable is changing. This is the main theme of JSWAY's continuous improvement. Based on China, view to world. The motherland is above all else, and talent contributes to humanity. Dream of JSWAY, good machine tool in China.